Hi everybody! In this video I want to show you a new feature that I've developed for the Premote. So to make it short, a few days ago a friend of mine came and said, hey, could I use this remote for my tow boogie? And what he basically wanted is first of all a longer range than the normal remote, and also he wanted to be able to steer. So I will show you a picture now. He has got a small rudder on his tow boogie, and he wants also to be able to steer it left and right. And so what I started with is I attached this long range antenna on one of the remotes. You may already have seen it in the last build video where I attached this. And I tested it, and with the normal antenna, with the internal antenna, you get a range of, let's say, 200 meters line of sight. And with this antenna, you can actually boost it up to 2.6 kilometers. And his requirement was basically, around about 300 meters. So I think with this long range antenna, he will be on the safe side. Okay, so about the second feature, steering. So again, for steering he uses a small servo. So first of all, we need to get a second servo output. Now what you can see here is the receiver as it is normally. And what I've attached here is a servo, but this servo just simulates the output of the VESC. So you can see if I give it throttle, and if I actually go to the highest power level, then it turns. So this just simulates if it is like this, 0 throttle, and like this, full power to the motor. And so now we want to attach a second servo for steering, and for that I have used this auxiliary 1 output down here, which was actually intended to control a relay. But if on the back side of the PCB we make two small modifications, so one power and one resistor wire, or one power wire and one resistor, then we can actually take a second servo. And the only thing we need to do, because the pinout doesn't match, we need to swap the red and the yellow cable. So you can see in a normal servo it's black, red, yellow. Now it's black, yellow, red. But that's all we need to do. Then we can just plug it in like this. And then we've attached the second servo. And what you can see now on the remote is, at the moment I can use it as usual. So I can select my power levels here. They of course dictate how much power you can give with full throttle, like usual. I can also lock the remote if I pull this button down all the way. Now it's locked. Now I can also unlock it again like it was already before. But now what is special, if I give it throttle and drive with my tow boogie, then as long as I give it throttle, I can also steer. And as you can see, if I turn this button, now it doesn't change anything on the remote, but you can steer left to right like that. Of course, the resolution of this button is not that good, but I think for steering any watercraft this should be enough. So you can see I can still control it quite finely like that. Also to the other range like that. Okay, and now if I let go of the trigger, then I can still control it for a few seconds like that. And now after 5 seconds, but you could of course change it in the code, now it has gone back into this settings mode, or into the, you could call it standby, or not really standby, but in the idle mode like that. And now again, if I give it throttle, then I can also control the steering. And yeah, that's basically it. So with this, you could attach it to any tow boogie or even to any remote controlled watercraft with a rudder and a motor, and then you could like that control it from far away. So yeah, I hope you liked it. If you have any good ideas how I could improve or add new features, then leave them in the comments, in the forum, write me a mail, whatever. And yeah, I hope you liked the video. See you next time. Bye.